Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Destiny 2. To change email address on Destiny 2, first of all open up the Destiny 2 application on your mobile device. From the home page of Destiny 2, click on the More button at the bottom right hand corner. From the Settings interface, click on Bungie.net Account Settings at the top. Now click on the email option from the list and then enter a new email address that you want to change to by erasing the current one. After you do that, click on the Save button at the top right corner and you will then need to verify your new email address. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox and you'll receive an email from Bungie. Tap it open and then click on Verify email address. Select a web browser in the pop-up and wait for a few seconds and your email address will be verified. You can now get back to your Destiny 2 account and now your email has been verified and changed to a new one as well. So that is how you can easily change email address associated with your Destiny 2 account. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.